Hi friends, my name is Sanjay Budhiraja and we are back with 5 new words for day 3. The first word is abstinent. It means self-restraining especially for food or drink, जिसका मतलब है दूर रहना विशेषतः खाने या पीने के नज़रिए से. The root word is abstinere, a Latin word. Ab means away and tenere means hold. The notion is to withhold and stay away. The easy way to remember this word is to link with abs. To get six-pack abs, one need to stay away from drinking alcohol and eating bad food. अगर हमें सिक्स पैक एब्स चाहिए तो शराब व गंदे खाने की आदतों से दूर रहना होगा. As you can see in this picture, we need to stay away from bad drinking or eating habits in order to have six-pack abs. So, abstinent means self-restraining. The second word is abstract. It means theoretical, जिसका मतलब है बिना प्रयोग के. The root word is abstrahere, a Latin word. Ab means away and traher means draw. The notion is to withdraw from practical matters. The easy way to remember this word is to link with the word retract, which sounds like abstract. You cannot retract anything from an abstract speech. आप एब्स्ट्रैक्ट स्पीच या थ्योरेटिकल स्पीच से कुछ रिट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते. As you can see in this picture, you cannot deduce anything through theoretical approach. So, abstract means theoretical. The third word is abstruse. It means difficult to understand, जिसका मतलब है मुश्किल से समझ आना. The root word is abstrusus. It's a French word which means hidden. A general inclusive concept is that it's very difficult to understand the hidden meaning. The easy way to remember abstruse is to break this word into two subwords, up and stress. If you do not give stress now, it will be difficult to understand at a later stage. अगर अब स्ट्रेस नहीं देंगे तो बाद में समझने में बहुत मुश्किल होगी. As you can see in this picture, if do not give stress now, it will be difficult to understand at a later stage. So, abstruse means difficult to understand. Abysmal is our next word. It means very bad, जिसका मतलब है बहुत बुरा. The root word is abyssos. It's a Greek word. A means without and byssos means depth. The notion is something that is extremely or limitless bad. Example, abysmal poverty. The easy way to remember is to link this word with base. A means without and base with base. So, no base, that is bottomless or limitless. As you can see in this picture, we did not like it because it was very bad. So, abysmal means very bad. The fifth word is accolades. It means award or honor, जिसका मतलब है पुरस्कार. The root word is accolade, a French, which means embrace. Initially, it referred to a ceremonial embrace, but later extended to awards and honors in general. The easy way to remember is to break this word into three words, a cool aid. It is a praise for the effort by a bright student. As you can see in this picture, this award is to be given to a bright student. So, accolade means award or honor. So, let's summarize what we have learned today. Abstinent means self-restraining. Abstract means theoretical. Abstruse means difficult to understand. Abysmal means very bad. Accolade means award. Thank you for listening. Happy learning.